quiet knowing learns to stand between what stays and fades. Each moment asks a simple truth in countless subtle ways. Not through thought alone it grows, but choices lived each day, turning gently toward what lasts, and letting form give way. Liberation lives in seeing what is real and what is not, choosing soul above the surface every chance the moment offers. Through continuous discernment, the path grows clear and wide. What once pulled the heart outward loses power to decide. At first the mind begins to see a guiding line appear between the witness and the world, between the far and near. Then clarity refines the sight through careful inner choice, until discernment shapes the life, not only thought or voice. Liberation lives in seeing what is real and what is not, choosing soul above the surface every chance the moment offers. Through continuous discernment, the path grows clear and wide. What once pulled the heart outward loses power to decide. What starts as knowing grows into a way of being true. Each action formed from deeper ground, each bond seen clearly through. Dispassion loosens every tie that once demanded stay. The unreal fades without a fight, as truth becomes the way. Discernment, freedom holds, no grip of want remains. The soul stands clear, aligned, and still beyond all loss and gain. No longer bound to fleeting form or stories born of time. Liberation rests as life, where soul and truth align. Clear, steady, free.